beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome and feel at home. As I said, we're going to be doing simple head wrap styles for jumbo fox locks using that particular head wrap. So as we're gonna do, this is a fast hairstyle, and what we're gonna do is gonna take our shoe string, because these jumbo fox locks are a bit they are too thick, so normal scrunchies cannot fit in them, so we're gonna be using our shoelace. And please do ignore my broken mirror. I think every African home has a broken mirror somewhere. Yes, Sam. Yeah, we're gonna use it anyways. It was available, and it was manageable. It was small. So we're gonna tie our hair into a ponytail, into a low ponytail. Yeah, not a high one, a low ponytail, and do make sure that it's tightly done so that it does not get loose. And then make sure that you're comfortable, that your edges are not being pulled too much, that your hair is not being pulled too much. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna try and make a bun. Okay, we're gonna try and make a bun with our hair. And yes, you know, jumbo fox locks are a bit, they're too big, so it's hard to make a bun, but it's easy again, so it's somewhere in between. So we're gonna make a neat bun. You see there's no hair that's left out. We're gonna make a neat bun and make sure that it's tightly tucked in. Okay, then we're gonna take our scarf and fold it into two pieces, like into two halves. Okay, into two halves. Hey Lord Jesus, what's happening? Into two halves, as you can see there. Then we're gonna place it at the back of our head and make sure that a bit of it is covering the bun. And we're gonna tie the what? Let's cover the front and make sure that it's tightly tight. We don't want any loose ends. Okay, and we're gonna tie. After tying it at the front, we're gonna try and make a bow with it. Actually, mine wasn't perfect, but you can make yours perfect. I did not make mine that perfect, but yeah, it looks nice. It looks cute. It looks so simple. It does not have any dramas with it, and yeah, it's easy to rock with any kind of hairstyle. And the good thing is that it gets all the hair out of your face and out of your body. Yes, and it's comfortable because it's at the top. And now we're gonna do the second style, which is we're gonna now, instead of making a bow, we're gonna make a little, it's called what, a little bun with the scarf. Yes, at the front. You can choose between this and the bow, but I preferred the bow because it was sweet sweet and cute. Yes, but everyone has their own preferences. So we're gonna remove the hair from the bun. No, not the hair from the bun. Oh Lord Jesus, we're gonna not go for a messy look. Okay, so we're gonna choose where you want the messy look to come from, where you want the messy look to be. And make sure when you're removing the hair, you're still tucking in the bun, because we don't want it falling at the middle of the day. Because that will be embarrassing, so embarrassing. Okay, so we're gonna remove a certain place. Okay, you choose where you want. You don't have to do where I did it. And we're gonna again fold the scarf into two halves, as you can see, and we're gonna do the same thing as we did with the first style. We're gonna put half of the scarf on top of my head, a bit of the scarf on top of my bun. Yeah, we're gonna make sure some part of it covers the bun. And we're gonna tie at the front. Okay, because as you can see, we're gonna tie at the front and make sure that your messy look is in place. So you're gonna make it secure. Yeah, you can do the bow thing, the pretty thing, or okay, so for me, I did the bow thing. And because the bow thing isn't kind of my expertise, I tried to tuck in the bow inside the scarf. And there we go. You have the messy side part. No, it does not have to be something classy, something flashy, just a messy side part. And yeah, it's cute, it's simple, it does not have any dramas again. We are going for less drama over here. So you're gonna remove some parts of the hair at the back. Okay, If you want more mess, you can remove some strands, but make sure when you're removing the strands, you don't make it seem like something that was you want it to look like something that happened naturally. Okay, you don't want it to look like something that was worked on. So you're gonna remove some of the strands in a good manner, in a good way that people won't notice that it was mechanically done. Mechanically done. What's that, Lord Jesus? And so now we're going to remove the strand. Let the hair breathe. Hallelujah. And then now we are going to fold the scarf again into 2 halves. No, not into 2 halves, into a 3/4. We're gonna tie the scarf on our. For us who have massive foreheads, this is our look now. This is where we should lie. This thing is a lifesaver. I don't know who cast us with big foreheads, but this style is a lifesaver because it covers like half of your forehead, and I think that's what most of us are looking for, like half of our forehead not to be seen. So you're gonna tie the scarf at the back of the hair, and then bring some like 3, 4, 2 strands at the front of your chest, for that just normal look. Yes, and you see, it's a cute style, it does not have any kind of complication, and it covers our foreheads. Lord, you can see at the back, I did not tie it behind the hair, I tied it on top of the hair. And yeah, we have less forehead, there's less, we won't scare kids away. And again, if you don't want the scarves to just lie on your back, you can tie them at the front, like what I'm doing at the moment. You can tie them at the front. You can make a little neat tie and tuck the rest, as I'm doing, as you can see what I'm doing. Yes, tuck the rest in. And voila, we are done. We are done. We look amazing, superb. Please ignore my madness. Yes, cute, pretty. Mwah. Lord, you can see the back. You see, it does not have any kind of complications, and we are covering the massive forehead. As I'm saying, we are covering the massive forehead. So we remove again the scarf, and now we part the hair at the middle. We're putting the hair at the middle. Now the problem of shooting a video like a day before the voice notes, you forget what you did in the video. So please just shoot and do the out of what is what not a voice some award voice over. Do the voice over the same day so that you can still know what you did, because I did this video like 2 days ago. So I'm kind of forgetting what I was doing. Yes, so we did this hairstyle, but I kind of did not love this style. It did not fit how I wanted it to fit. And as you can see, I'm not that pleased with it. It's meh. So we're gonna remove it, and now we're gonna try another style. So we're gonna take all the hair at the back and leave 2 strands at the front. As you can see, I'm about to leave 2 strands at the front. Then now redo the hairstyle, like that way. You see, now that looks a little bit pretty, that one looks pretty, So we do it that way, and voila, we are looking amazing. We are looking fabulous. Ignore my terrible singing. You see, cute. Give me that pause. And you see at the back. You see, everything is where it's supposed to be. Yeah. And again, if you don't want the extra scarves lying on your back or on your chest, you can just tie them at the top. A simple bow, or just a simple anything simple. You can just tie them at the top the way you want them to be tied at the top. And there we have a beautiful look. Yes. And again, if again what? Oh Lord Jesus, what am I about to say? So we're gonna remove the hair, the scarf. And now we are going to take all the hair at the back and Lord, take all the hair at the front. We're gonna grab our string, our shoelace. And please, if you have any other thing that you use to tie your hair apart from the shoelace, please do tell me, because oh Lord, my shoelaces are getting lost because of this kind of behavior. Yeah, so please tell me, give me something better, or give me something better. So I'm gonna tie the hair. We want a high, it to be at a high point, and we are going to put all the hair at the side. No? So that's what we are going for. We're going to put all the hair at the side, and yes, we're gonna make sure that everything is arranged, everything looks proper, and we're gonna tie. Make sure that everything fits in. Then we're gonna tie it at the top. We're gonna just make some simple knots and make sure that the knots are secure. Come on, that one was hectic. This style was hectic. Now last confirmation. Then now, yes, we tie the knots there. Make sure that it's secure and tight. But I did not like this style because all the hair was on the side and it was kind of pulling me to the side. So this hairstyle wasn't my best. And we're gonna do the same thing that we did. We're gonna put this fold the scarf into 2 halves, then put it at the back of our head and tie it to the front of our head. Then we're gonna tie another knot at the back with a scarf, as you can see what I'm doing, to make it secure. Then we're gonna bring the remaining front, which will cover where the shoestring is, to hide it. And now we're gonna put the hairs to the sides and make sure that it looks cute. You don't want it to look like as if it fell on one side. We want it to look something presentable. And yeah, that's it. But this one I won't recommend this particular style. It wasn't comfortable. The other ones were comfortable, but this one was like nah. This one was yeah. And anyways, thank you. Those are all the styles. Please like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.